Mensen mogen de lelijke kanten van mijn auto ook zien.
Omdat je geen auto was.
Kan je vanaf hier doorkop zien?
For those of you watching us, I'm Jesse.
I'm Jay.
And we're both down a path of financial destruction.
Yes.
And I invite you to come watch our financial distress.
Yeah. Our journey to bankruptcy and further. Our aim is to take it further than bankruptcy.
As far as we can push the inevitable.
FBI, open up!
Yeah. So, what can people expect from us?
So if you're watching now, the next couple of videos will be about some ring trips we did last year. We'll do a complete summary of the building.
And then builds, we have 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah.
5 project cars in total.
Yeah. A bunch of bullshit, us spending money we don't have, buying more project cars, breaking down, sabotage.
Track driving.
Sometimes a little bit of track driving.
That's it. Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks for watching, blah blah blah, do all the things you need to do.
Like, comment, subscribe
To my OnlyFans.
as well. And the bell. Apparently that's a new thing.
The bell.
The bell.
The one you have in all the Pakistani workshop videos.
Censored again.
Why? What's wrong? It's just a country.
No.
Pakistan.
You don't call a retard retarded.
Just do all the shit you need to do to
Like,
help
comment,
us
subscribe.
not go bankrupt and help
Yeah.
us pay the rent, because
Oh yeah.
it's bad. It's bad. You just gotta go real deep.
Yeah, watch us go deep.
Watch us go deep.
Peace for the kid.
Alright, thank you, bye bye, whatever, fuck off.
Ballen.
Weet nog.